In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily favorite a website on your iPhone or iPad. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first off, open up Safari web browser. Then just go to some website, let it be that one, and now in order to add this website to favorites, you should tap at that share icon, then drag it up until you find add to favorites. On that step you can rename it and hit on save. I have just added this website to my favorites, and then in any time I can get quick access to any of my favorite websites simply by tapping at that address bar, and that will show you all my favorite websites, and in that way I can open up a website. That's how it's done. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my iPhone tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.